NTA has postponed the CSIR UGC NET examination due to unavoidable circumstances and logistic issues. These tests were supposed to be held between 25th June and 27 June. This development comes right after the Education Ministry cancelled the UGC NET examination. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena Uddhav faction leader Priyanka Chaturvedi has slammed the Education Minister. Let's listen in.
नमस्कार। अभी एनटीए से एक और नोटिस जारी हुआ है जहां पे जॉइंट सीएसआईआर यूजीसी नेट के जो एग्जाम्स होने थे, जो उनकी जिम्मेदारी है जून 25 से 27 के लिए, वो उन्होंने पोस्टपोन कर दिए हैं क्योंकि तैयारियां पूर्ण तरीके से नहीं है। आप ये सोचिए, लगातार एनटीए पे प्रश्न चिन्ह लगाया जा रहा है और किसी तरीके की अकाउंटेबिलिटी तय नहीं होगी। अभी हाल ही में नीट का जो पेपर लीक की बात सामने आई, जो बिहार पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेट कर ही रही है, उसको लेकर एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि हम एक हाई लेवल कमेटी बनाएंगे। हाई लेवल कमेटी में कौन सदस्य होंगे, कौन मेंबर्स हैं, क्या उनका जांच का दायरा होगा, उसके बारे में उन्होंने कल अपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कोई स्पष्टीकरण नहीं दिया। फिर उन्होंने जो यूजीसी एनईटी था वो 18 जून को हो गया था, उसको कैंसिल करना पड़ा। 9 लाख बच्चे।
Brian Thomas, yet another examination now postponed by the NTA. Amidst this, the political blame game continues. Priyanka Chaturvedi slamming the centre.
Now the NTA announced on Friday that the CSIR UGC NET examination has been postponed due to unavoidable circumstances and even logistical issues. Now, yes, it was originally scheduled between June 25th and June 27th, but the new dates will be announced later on the official website, and this announcement also follows closely even after the Education Ministry cancelled the UGC NET examination, citing even a paper leak on the dark net. Now, yes, even the Union Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, also confirmed that the UGC NET exam, which determines the eligibility for assistant professorship, junior research fellowship, was cancelled due to the leak. And now the postponement of the CSIR UGC NET exam occurs amidst ongoing controversies surrounding the very NEET medical entrance exam, which held on May 5th also across 4,750 centers with approximately 24 lakh students. Now, the NEET results were unexpectedly announced on June 4th, and earlier the anticipated date was June 4th, and definitely criticism by Priyanka Chaturvedi also to the fact that there was some discrepancy, and even the NTA also rather explained that the answer sheet evaluation were completed ahead of the schedule. Yes, okay.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.